Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is related to termite and the anti-termite treatment. How one treats the termite if it is found in your houses, and how can one treat the termite when you are going to construct your house. So in this video, this is going to be a beneficial one for those who don't know how to do the anti-termite treatment and for those who don't know what is termite. So without any delay, let us discuss termite, that how many types are termite are there and what can we do, all the possible ways to eliminate this from your houses. So let's first see the termite. What is termite? You can see on the screen that there are different types of termite. Any one of it can be a cause of the furniture damage to your houses. So how to treat that? Because termite is found in the soil, since it is an insect, and what you can do is you can spray any anti-termite solution to the soil to kill them. So if you have seen such damages to your houses like doors and windows and any other furniture items which are of wood, they are eaten by the termite. You can see different marks on your furnitures. If you just see such type of marks, it is an indication that there is termite in your houses and you need some treatment immediately. Otherwise, all of your house is going to be eaten. Not the concrete portion, of course, the wooden part only, and it causes a lot of damage to your house because it eats the wood from the inside and the outer portion is laminated one, and you don't see that unless you touch that with your hands and with any other thing. So you can see that it is hollow from the inside. So it is very much important that you treat termite. How you have to treat termite, I'm going to tell you just in a couple of seconds. Let us first see different types of termites. In this picture you can see there are different types of termite. So there can be, you can google that कि आप देख सकते हैं कि किस किस तरह की टर्माइट कहाँ कहाँ पे होती है. So subterranean termites we are going to discuss, which are found in the soil. And if your furniture is having a look like this, it is also an indication that there is some insect which is eating the wood. So you have to do the drilling. If the house is already constructed, you have to do drilling at every 1 feet, and then after drilling, you have to inject anti-termite solution with pressure, like in this picture. So what is the purpose of this anti-termite solution is that it is a poison and it is going to kill the termite. You can do that in the inside and in the outer portion of your house. If though people living in the agricultural lands, you may have more termite there. In this picture you can see this person is spraying anti-termite treatment on the excavated trench. This is the basement of the house which is going to be constructed, and once the house is constructed, termite, if present in the soil, is going to come to the furniture and start eating it. So what to do? I'm going to show you different brands of anti-termite solution. In this video there are two pictures. One is this one and second one is this one. This brand is the most costly brand in Pakistan because it is a Thailand brand, and it costs around 8,000 and I think 450 rupees per liter. And I'm going to show you how you have to mix that, what is the how much amount of water you have to add in that, and how you can spray that with a pump to the excavated trenches as well as the base of the house. So let us see how you have to spread that and how much time it takes. Let's see.
की जाती है, ठीक है, हार्ड होता है कॉम्पैक्टर लगने के बाद। अब क्या है कि जो दवाई है ना, आधी तकरीबन दवाई है, क्या 25%, ये ऊपर वाले रोड़े नहीं अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेनी है। अगर वो ड्रेसिंग हुई थी प्रॉपर तरीके से, बैरियर बन जाती, एक शीट ऊपर चढ़ जाती है इसके। भाई साहब कोई जगह रहनी नहीं चाहिए, मैं दोबारा नहीं आऊँगा नीचे।